Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on how to make a catch game in 1 minute. So here we have 4 sprites, ball and 3 apples, and we have a nice background. So in the ball, you'll put in a when green flag click. You will go to X and Y forever. Then if key right arrow press, you will change X by 10. Duplicate that. If key left arrow press, change X by -10. And in the first apple, we will put in a when green flag clicked. You'll go to random position, we'll set Y to 180, and forever we will change Y by -5. Then if Y position is less than -180, we'll simply duplicate this, and then we'll put in an if touching bubble. Then we will make a new variable naming it score full sprites. We'll set score to 0, then we'll change score by 1 and duplicate this. And then before going anywhere, we will simply drag and drop these code into the other apples. And just like that, we have 3 apples going down. Thank you for watching.